Okay, I thought I'd just do a quick tutorial on a couple of features of Lucid Press that will help you get on with this next task. So one of those is text wrap. So if you want to put a text wrap, then it's an extra step to compare to what you would do in, for example, Page Plus. So first thing I'm just going to say is a useful feature of Lucid Press is that you can lock individual elements. So when I was doing this a minute ago, I kept accidentally dragging that background image. So if you click on an image or an element and you go to this Layers tab, which normally is at the bottom, then you can find different elements and you can just lock them. So text wrap, we're going to start off with a text box. So don't worry about smart fields, just keep it with text and probably a body text of some sort. And I'm going to create a bit of a bigger text box. If I just go in there, I'm going to insert some placeholder text. Once you've done that, I'm going to move that down to where I want it, somewhere over here. And I'm going to just make it a bit bigger. So what I'm going to do is wrap it around the side of that mug. Now to do that in Lucid Press, you're going to need to do two things. First thing, with the text box highlighted, you're going to go to Layout and you're going to find Text Wrapping, turn it on. Make sure that it's wrap around the object and you've clicked this little tick box here, Wrap Tight to Shape Boundary. You're going to need to do the same to the image that you're wrapping it around. So again, click the image, Layout, Text Wrapping around here and Tight Wrap. Now nothing's happened, and that's because the image needs to be in front. So if you now go to the Arrange tab and bring that picture to the front, you'll see now you've got the text wrapping around that shape. So other things are similar to Page Plus. So for example, if you wanted to put a drop shadow, then you're going to need to go into Shape, and you've got the shadow options here. You can turn that on. You can change the angle of it or the distance or whatever else you're going to go for. Other fills, borders, opacity, you can make it if you want it to be slightly less transparent. So just have a play around with the different parts, the different menus on the right hand side here, and hopefully you'll be able to arrange your design satisfactorily.